Result is out. And if you're watching this video, this means that you have not able to clear both the groups or you have just missed by few marks or maybe aggregate. Many students ask me, ma'am, whether should I go with both the groups in upcoming attempt? Then I say that if you are planning to study for next 60 days in a disciplined manner and consistently, then answer is yes. But if you are planning to study random basis, no plans to do revision, mock series भी नहीं लिखना है, then I will suggest go only with the one group. And for that strategy, I have made a separate video. Do watch that video also. Today I am going to share a complete strategy for the students who are planning to attempt both group in upcoming exam. So there is a 6 subject, 60 days and one roadmap. Let's begin. Before discussing the strategy, I would like to answer one thing, that I will not suggest the students who have prepared very less या फिर काफ़ी लो एग्रीगेट आए हैं और या फिर उन्होंने ठीक से चैप्टर्स को सिलेबस को कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, देन माय रिकमेंडेशन इज डोंट गो विथ बोथ ग्रुप दिस अपकमिंग अटेम्प्ट. बट दो स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने पिछला अटेम्प्ट काफ़ी सीरियसली दिया है, पूरा सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट है एंड एग्रीगेट भी बहुत थोड़े से रह गया है, सो इन दैट केस go for this strategy of 60 days to crack the upcoming attempt. This 60 days I am using 30-30 formula. First 30 days we will be working on knowledge building and next 30 days we will be working on practice and mock series. So this two phase should be seriously done to get a powerful result. Let's discuss about first phase, that is 30 days, which is a knowledge building phase. In this 30 days, you have to handle 6 subjects. So, I will recommend you to allot 5 days to each subject, which totally makes 30 days. ये 5 दिन एक ही सब्जेक्ट पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करो and then work on the second cycle of second subject. In this way, you will be able to clear, you will be able to complete your whole syllabus, 6 subjects in first 30 days. Now let's discuss what you are going to do in this 5 days. ये 5 दिनों में you have to focus on completion of whole subject. Exam ready होना है. So you have to work on your weak area. You have to complete MTPs and RTP questions. You have to highlight, make your own notes. मतलब आपको एक सब्जेक्ट को 5 दिन में कंपाइल करना है. थोड़ा स्पीड में करना होगा because you have 6 subjects in your hand. So in this 5 days you will not be find yourself very perfect, but yes, आपका syllabus complete होगा और एक सब्जेक्ट पूरा का पूरा one go में हाथ में आएगा. What many students do is like they imbalance the subject. If I have allotted 5 days to try to focus in one subject full 5 days, don't jump onto another subject. So once your knowledge phase is over, then comes your practice phase. So this 30 days is majorly focused on knowledge building. Got it? Here comes next 30 days. I will divide this 30 days into 2 more phases. First phase is of 18 days. In this 18 days, you have to handle and make 6 subjects perfect. For that, you need to allot 3 days to each subject. So first 3 days will be allotted to paper 1, then paper 2 and then paper 3. So in this 3 days, students को revision करना है, जो part generally student avoid करते हैं. So you need to revise your formula, you need to revise the notes what you have made in the first phase. You need to practice a lot, you need to work on the weak area, you need to improve your presentation, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, कुछ सम्स को बिना आंसर देखे प्रैक्टिस करना है, कुछ थ्योरी को आंख बंद करके रिकॉल करना है. सो दिस 3 days इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेवी फॉर कंप्लीटिंग द सब्जेक्ट, बट ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आपने इसको प्रॉपरली यूज किया, थोड़ा सा एफर्ट्स लगा के इस पे काम किया, तो हमारे एग्जाम पीरियड में एंजाइटी और पैनिक नहीं मिलेगा. So most important advice I would like to give here is आप हाई वेटेज चैप्टर्स को तो इम्पोर्टेंस देना ही, क्वालिटी पे ज्यादा वर्क करना rather than क्वांटिटी. बिकॉज आप अगर आपको सब आता है, आप प्रेजेंट कर पाओगे, तभी आप मार्क्स गेन कर पाओगे. सो हियर यू नीड टू वर्क अ लॉट एंड 3 days to each subject, making total 18 days. This phase is more important than the last phase. So work on this area a lot. Here comes the last phase, which is of 12 days. Because 8 out of 30 days, we have already devoted 18 days for full revision, and now comes your last 12 days, which you are going to allot for 6 subjects, 2 days each. Here, most important recommendation is this time you don't change any of your study material. वही सेम नोट्स होना चाहिए, वही रिविजन पेपर होना चाहिए, वही टीचर होना चाहिए जो आपने डे 1 से रेफर किया है. सो आपको यहाँ कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं करना है. Okay, now what you need to do in this 2 days when you are working on one subject, you need to do a little bit of revision, but ensure that एक mock daily लिखो. Say one mock like you are appearing in ICA exam. वही सेम फेज होना चाहिए, वही स्ट्रेस होना चाहिए, वही इन्वायरमेंट होना चाहिए, वही टाइम मैनेजमेंट के साथ आपको वो 3 घंटे का पेपर लिखना है. देन एनालाइज करना है, एनालाइज वेयर यू आर लैकिंग. जो चीज आपको ध्यान रखना है, टाइम मैनेजमेंट, प्रेजेंटेशन, स्पीड, एवरीथिंग, आप उसको नोट डाउन करो और उसके ऊपर वर्क करो, सो दैट जब आप फाइनल एग्जाम में अपीयर हो तो आपका यू शुड बी अलर्ट इनफ कि यहाँ पर आपकी गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो दिस 2 फेज, फर्स्ट इज 30 days इज नॉलेज बिल्डिंग, जो आपने एक क्विक वे में कंप्लीट किया. देन योर 30 days इज योर बेसिकली मार्क्स गिविंग एक्टिविटी. तो यहाँ पर आप जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे, जितना अपने आप को ब्रश अप करोगे, पॉलिश करोगे, वहां पर आपको उतना ज्यादा ही मार्क्स गेन होगा. बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक्स टू अवॉइड: changing books and classes repeatedly. Try to stick to one notes. Revise it multiple times. Mistake number 2, ignoring mock tests. Practice actually creates a confidence. So write as many as mock you can. Mistake number 3, comparing your journey with others. Focus on your preparation. You are a different personality than others. Mistake number 4, waiting for the motivation. Motivation आता है और जाता है. Better try to be in discipline and consistent. So if you have decided to go for both the group, then you actually don't need confidence. You really need to take action first. So for the next 60 days, just do this 3 things. Study, revise, practice. The more you practice, the more you prepare. Trust me, जिसने भी ये दोनों ग्रुप एक साथ क्लियर किया है, they are not extraordinary. उन्होंने एक ही प्रैक्टिस यूज किया है, रिवाइज रिवाइज रिवाइज. ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू फॉलो दिस स्ट्रेटजी, this upcoming result will be very different and you will able to crack CA Inter in this attempt. If you are looking for personalized 60 days roadmap, revision strategy, mock test series or personal mentor support, then do connect me. All the links I have given in the description box. Don't prepare alone. Let's prepare smartly and clear this attempt together. Best of luck.